Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify retirement plan rollovers with Transamerica detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify retirement plan rollovers with Transamerica, begin by gathering your relevant documentation. This includes your current retirement plan account details and any previous account statements. Next, visit the Transamerica website to access their retirement plan services section. Look for the option that mentions rollover verification or account management. Once you find it, click to navigate to the rollover verification page. You may need to log into your account, so have your username and password ready. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, locate the section dedicated to rollovers or transfers. Here, you should see options to verify your current rollover status or initiate a new rollover. Select the appropriate option that pertains to your situation. If verifying an existing rollover, enter any requested account numbers or identifiers. If you are initiating a rollover, provide the details of the accounts involved. Submit the required information and await confirmation of your request. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications or updates from Transamerica regarding your rollover. For additional questions or to clarify any uncertainties, consider reaching out to Transamerica's customer service. You can typically find their contact information on the website's support section. Prepare your account details prior to the call for a smooth conversation with the representative. Finally, ensure you document all communications and confirmations related to your rollover for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.